Welcome to this video on the future of education in a post-pandemic world. The pandemic has forever changed the way we learn and teach. In this video, we'll explore how education is evolving and what lies ahead in this exciting journey. The COVID-19 pandemic forced the education system to adapt almost overnight. Remote learning, virtual classrooms, and digital tools became the norm. While challenging, it's also opened the door in innovative opportunities. Today, we'll discuss the lessons learned and how we can shape a better, more inclusive future for education. The pandemic introduced significant changes to education, a rapid shift to online and hybrid learning models, a heavy reliance on digital tools, and the exposure of deep inequalities in access to education. It also highlighted the importance of mental health support for students and educators alike. These changes, while difficult, taught us invaluable lessons. Post pandemic, we are seeing exciting trends emerge. Educational technology tools such as AI powered platforms and virtual classrooms are booming. Blended learning is becoming the standard, combining online and traditional methods. There is also a greater focus on personalized learning, where lessons are tailored to individual student needs, and mental health has taken center stage as a key priority. But with opportunities come challenges. The digital divide remains a pressing issue. As not all students have access to technology, teachers also need ongoing training to adapt to new tools and methods. There's a question of balancing screen time with hands on learning and, importantly, helping students regain the social interaction skills that were impacted by isolation. Despite these challenges, the future holds immense potential for innovation. Project based and experiential learning methods are gaining traction, helping students connect knowledge to real world applications. Global classrooms are breaking down geographical barriers, allowing students from different parts of the world to collaborate. Advanced data analytics can now provide insights into student progress, and technologies like virtual and augmented reality are transforming the way we teach complex concepts. Educators are at the heart of this transformation. Their ability to adapt and innovate will shape the future of education. Schools must also evolve into community hubs that provide resources and support beyond academic. Policies should focus on making education inclusive and preparing students for the dynamic challenges of tomorrow. Of education is one that's inclusive, flexible, and student centered. It emphasizes lifelong learning, equipping students with the skills to adapt to a rapidly changing world. By embracing innovation and addressing challenges, we can create an educational system that prepares students not just for exam but for life itself. The pandemic has taught us that education can change and change for the better. By investing in technology and focusing on mental health and well being, we can ensure a brighter, more resilient future for students and educators alike.